Water happens. It's funny, when you start telling people what you do for a living, it's like they have no idea why this industry even exists. People will say, oh, you must get a lot of work after the rain. And that may be true in some areas, but here in Georgia we don't. It's not a big source of business for us. I'll have people say, oh, you guys must really go to work when hurricanes come in. Well, some companies do, but we rarely do. The fact is, water happens everywhere. Every building has water supply and drainage systems, and often enough, those water systems get damaged that our phone keeps ringing. So what is water restoration? Technically, it's getting buildings clean and dry. Maybe a little more philosophically, it's helping people get back to their lives in a place where they feel comfortable to live and work. That's why safety and health are so paramount in our business. It's not just about dry, and it's not just about clean. It's about giving people a building that they feel comfortable is safe for them and their families. Water damage restoration technicians have to be serious about health. If you're not, this is not the business for you.